In this video, we're going to be looking at the cotangent function and how its graphs will look. So first, let's go ahead and put that into the calculator as 1 over tangent of x, so you can get an idea of what it looks like. So essentially, just the opposite as it goes from infinity down to negative infinity periodically, and crosses at certain points on the x-axis. So let's go ahead and talk about how you would find the asymptotes of the cotangent function, since cotangent of x is equal to 1 over tangent of x. So wherever tangent of x is 0 is where you would find the asymptotes. And remember, since tangent is sine over cosine, we're essentially looking where sine is going to be equal to 0. So the asymptotes, where sine is equal to 0, would be at places like 0, pi, 2 pi, etc. So essentially multiples of pi. So then when we're looking at cotangent of 2x, we're looking at something that's being compressed horizontally. So we're looking at where cotangent of 2x would have asymptotes. And if it's going to be compressed by a factor of 2, that means our period is going to shrink from being pi to now, with cotangent of 2x, we're going to be looking at asymptotes at still 0, and because even when you have 2x, you're still going to have asymptote at 0 whenever a cotangent of 2x is undefined. And then you're also going to have pi over 2, pi, 3 pi over 2, etc. So let's go ahead and look at the graph to verify this. So if we put 1 over tangent of 2x, we'll get our first function there. Now, as you can see, my second function is compressed by a factor of 2. So now see if you can figure out what the graph of 1/2 of the cotangent of 2x should look like.